industrial investors, international companies who want to invest in Kazakhstan. Really, this business environment is very friendly and it's a good background and environment to grow the business in Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan, Central Asia's top investment hub, has attracted nearly 130 billion euros in net FDI since 1991, but last year saw a 30% drop from over 20 to 14.5 billion euros. According to the UN Conference on Trade and Development, FDI flows fell globally 11% due to geopolitical tensions, trade fragmentation, and rising financial risks.
In Kazakhstan, the drop in investment is tied to oil giants Kashagan, Karachaganak and Tengiz repatriating profits to shareholders. The Foreign Affairs Ministry says the shift from investment to returns is cyclical and does not signal declining confidence.
А вы сами понимаете, любой проект, он рассчитан на 3-4 года. Начальные инвестиции всегда не маленькие бывают. Поэтому, когда считаем мы на руках соглашения, то у нас ситуация более 450 документов на общую сумму 131 миллиардов долларов США. Вот это вот мы считаем, что реальная ситуация по привлечению инвестиций в Казахстан.
UNCTAD recognizes Kazakhstan for streamlining investment regulation, especially through digital licensing and fast-track procedures. Despite the FDI slowdown, it secured 4 of Central Asia's 5 largest greenfield projects worth 6 billion euros. Its sovereign wealth fund, Samruk-Kazyna, remains a key driver of foreign investment.
We usually take a minority stake. We don't get involved into the operational issues, but we provide full support with the government authorities on the central and regional levels, and if needed, we provide offtakes from our portfolio companies. And this model has proved it to be successful. At the moment, we are under execution of more than 130 investment projects for the full value of more than $102 billion.
One of Samruk-Kazyna's key partners, French multinational Air Liquide, is supplying industrial gases to its petrochemical and refining industries. Since 2016, the company has doubled its investment, adding another 100 million euros to the 120 million already committed, with more expansion ahead.
Growing in the country, we see a lot of opportunities, of new opportunities. In the refining sector, in the petrochemical sectors, maybe in the metal industry and in other industrial sectors, manufacturing and the like, where we can supply industrial gases. So for our home company in Paris, it's important not only for what we've achieved already, but also for the potential that Kazakhstan has in terms of economic development and industry overall growth potential in the industrial sectors.
Another partner is Fortune 500 American company Wabtec, which is supplying critical components, locomotives, signaling systems, and logistics solutions for the global railway industry. Wabtec has invested more than 196 million euros since 1996.
I think we have the opportunity to grow our business in Kazakhstan double digits per year. Piece of it is making sure we drive organic growth into other parts of the rail ecosystem. We're continuing to do acquisitions in our company, and that will allow us to ultimately grow the content of what we sell into the rail business here in country.
Kazakhstan's largest FDI has gone into mining, nearly 80 billion euros, followed by 35 billion in manufacturing and 7 billion in insurance. Top investors over the past decade include the Netherlands, the US, Switzerland, Russia, and China. To boost its appeal, Kazakhstan offers tax breaks, customs exemptions, and infrastructure support. The president chairs the Foreign Investment Council, where foreign investors can directly propose policy and development recommendations.
And that open discussion, I really think, adds to the clarity, and from clarity you have stability. And I think coming at this from the legal perspective, one of the things that businesses are always looking for in investment is things such as stability and regulation, and having guidance as to how the investment opportunities will evolve over time.
Despite global challenges, Kazakhstan draws over half of Central Asia's FDI and a large share of its output. As the region's largest economy, it continues building a strong investment climate, digital economy, and partnerships for industrial growth.